Welcome to the standard 5th students. Today we'll start the chapter 7. Flowers can talk. Flowers can talk. So open the page 52. Open the page 52. It is a allusion. Allusion means unexpected things that can happen. It is unexpected things. Flower can talk. Flower can talk. It is unexpected things which can happen. No one can believe, but it has happened to a part of the Alice. So, first of all, we'll know the word meaning. Willow, a tree that grows near the water. Astonished, surprised. Then, timid, speak low voice. Timid. The flowers can talk timidly. Criticized, to say someone bad. Frightened, fearful. Bow, the main branch of the tree. Then trembling. Trembling means quivering. Then panted, to breathe hard. Panted, to breathe hard. Then wither. Wither means wilting. 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 ঝাউঁলি ଯିବା. The plants, if we will not water the plant, then plant will wither. Wither means that means it is wilting. Compliment, praise. Then dare say, one believe something. Then curiosity, eagerly to know. Then start. The flowers, it is a story, Alice of Wonderworld. It extracts the story from the Alice of Wonderworld. Okay. Alice in the Wonderworld, it has extracted. So let's start. Alice, there are a couple of examples of allusion, hints, indication in this chapter. The episode of talking flowers is actually a reference to the poem. Reference to the poem. Here the dialogue between the Alice, Tiger Lily, and Red Queen. Okay, hibiscus is the Red Queen. Tiger Lily flowers. And Alice is a girl, small girl. At first, the talking style of the flowers became rude. Later, the Alice realized that actually flowers are good. Flowers are good. And she expresses the feeling with lovely flowers, and she wants to remain in the lovely flowers garden all along. And Alice follows the path she believes will bring her to the garden, but no matter the direction in which she goes, she ends up back to the house. Once she went to the garden and discovers that flowers reveal and there is no other person in the garden, then Alice looks around and sees the Red Queen, who has grown a little taller than himself. So the story is actually belongs to a comic, The Alice in the Wonderland, Alia Chalis Chor, The Little Mermaid, and The Princess Snow White and Seven Dwarfs. From this chapter, it has extracted. The flower can talk. It is talking with the Alice. a small girl. Okay. Thank you all of you. Have a nice day.